Yummy. Super yummy.
Hi guys, good day and hope everyone is doing well today. So for today's video, we'll be cooking pan seared salmon steak. This is a very healthy dish that my wife and sons really love. So let's go straight to the video and let's start cooking. So here we have 3 salmon steak that we're going to season with salt and ground black pepper. So gagamit lang tayo ng lemon and garlic dito. Gagawa lang tayo ng zest from lemon and then chop lang natin mabuti o pino tong garlic natin. Let's do that. And here we're going to cut our lemon and then we're going to make some juice from it. So for these 2 cut, we're going to keep it and then we're going to garnish it for later. So we're going to use 70 to 80 grams of butter. Then we can add na yung garlic natin. Then we're going to make this lang yung ma-brown na siya. Para dun lalabas yung flavor talaga nila. Butter and then the garlic. Then when the butter and garlic starts to brown, we're going to add our salmon. And then we're going to fry this for at least 2 to 3 minutes each side. So after 2.5 minutes, we're going to fry the other side and then we're going to bat it with our butter. Then we're going to add our lemon juice. And our lemon zest.
After that, this is pretty much done.
Then the remaining butter from our pan, we're going to bat our salmon with it to make it more moist, more flavorful, because all the flavor is in that pan. And then we're going to garnish it with peppermint that we got fresh from our garden. This will give fresh taste to it and will balance all the flavor. You can put parsley or whatever green leaves that you want, but I choose peppermint. So here you go, we got our pan seared salmon steak.
Okay, the final test. Super
out.
flaky, super tender salmon. Delish. Oh. Wow. Wow. This is the dish. This is the salmon dish na pinakamasarap kong nagawa, to be honest. So I love it raw. I like sashimi style, but this one's the best din. It's all salmon's recipe na nagawa ko. Trust me. So you need to try this. No kidding. No kidding. Ito yung pwede mong pagyabang na dish sa bisita mo. Sarap. And to prove that, we have a taster. Marcus? Hey Marcus, you want this?
Yes. Yummy.
Here's our taster.
Yummy. So super yummy.